This week at Red Hat Plumbing, we were called out to the Bell area for a failed sewer ejector pump. The pit was packed with roots and both pumps were jammed. We cleared everything and got it running again. Next, we were called out for a backed up sewer. Camera showed roots coming through a 4-inch T that was installed underground. We dug it up and replaced it with a proper 4-inch bullhorn cleanout to bring it up to code. That we responded to a slab leak. We performed leak detection, found the source, and gave the customer options. The best solution was to break through the slab and repair the pipe directly. We made the repair, patched the concrete, and the customer was happy. Great feedback on Google, Yelp, and Angie. And we're currently running some limited offers. Just search Red Hat Plumbing on Google to see what's live. Thank you for watching.